assignment to research your topic. Her assignment has been to collect information about her topic from numerous sources and to carefully support points and opinions with specific facts, examples, and illustrations gathered through research. Amy's speech today is entitled, Multivitamins, a good investment or waste of time. Please join me in welcoming Amy.
Physical fitness trainers, drug companies, doctors, and nutritionists often disagree as to the importance of taking multivitamins while on a quest for improved physical health. While the manufacturers and sellers of these various multivitamins benefit from the claim of promoting good health, these promises are frequently unsubstantiated. There is much debate, even within the medical industry, of those doctors who hope to seek the truth and help their patients the most as to the health benefits of multivitamins. This fact, coupled with the fact that the Food and Drug Administration is not required to pre-approve multivitamins for consumer use, is a double assurance to us that the buyer should beware. Although the FDA has the right to pull from the market multivitamins that pose a risk to the health and well-being of consumers, of the general public, their cause for alarm might only come after an unfortunate incident has occurred. In general, however, it is not a question of safety that looms over the multivitamin market, but one of effectiveness. I have collected an editorial article and secondary article, would you like to take one and pass one around, please, Diana, that claim the use of multivitamins do very little good at all. In support of this claim, I've gathered 3 scholarly, peer-reviewed articles that agree to varying degrees. A panel of experts hosted by the National Institute of Health met in 2005 to discuss the potential health benefits of taking multivitamins. Although the goal of this meeting was to come to a solid conclusion as to whether or not this recommendation could be made to American consumers, the panel's decision was inconclusive due to the lack of evidence that multivitamins provide any real benefits. While the panel urged more studies need to be conducted, the author of the editorial article insisted that greater focus needs to be placed on nutrition, the keystone to better health. Perhaps the greatest reason why present evidence as to the effectiveness of multivitamins is so minimal is precisely because the FDA is not involved in the approval process. Were the FDA involved, stringent testing would be done on all products entering the marketplace to determine true benefit as claimed by the manufacturing companies. As it is, the safety and effectiveness is left up to the manufacturers to determine, and it is likewise in their best interest to make the claim and move forward with the selling of the product. Because some vitamins and minerals are prone to cause toxicity in large doses, the harm or health of a dietary supplement has a great deal to do with the diet of the individual hoping to benefit from them. Other precautions should be taken when considering the bioavailability and absorbability of the multivitamins. For example, even if a pill does contain 6 milligrams of vitamin B6, will your body be able to absorb it before digestion is complete? In a study aimed to determine the effect of multivitamin use among men diagnosed with prostate cancer, the results were likewise disheartening. A survey was sent to 1,402 males diagnosed with prostate cancer with inquiries after their diet and multivitamin use. And of the 805 people who responded, it was clearly determined that the more education a person had and the more health conscious a person was, the more likely they were to take multivitamins, but the evidence did not support either in favor or against the claim that the use of those multivitamins had any health benefits whatsoever. This same question was raised again in 2011, when a group of researchers attempted to ascertain the benefits, if any, in the taking of multivitamins by males who were diagnosed with prostate cancer. Although the second study was much more in depth as to the specific vitamins that were being taken and the quantity, the outcome was, alas, similarly inconclusive. The author concludes, overall, when all the identified eligible studies were combined in meta-analysis, there was no effect of any of the vitamins or multivitamins on the occurrence or severity of prostate cancer. To echo and reaffirm the skepticism and doubt contained within these studies and opinions, Dr. Erwin Rosenberg believes that there is indeed much more that we need to learn about biology, chemistry, and the metabolism of vitamins. In contrast to some of the other voices I've told you about today, Rosenberg believes that more scientific study needs to take place, and that the challenges that we faced are about the poorly structured scientific experimentation. More focus, Rosenberg believes, needs to be placed on meta-analysis or finding patterns in randomized data. I have been a multivitamin taker all of my life, and although I do not plan to change this habit due to this questionable information that I've learned in writing this paper, I do think that it's important to think of multivitamins not as a magical pill, but rather as they were intended to be used in addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Thank you.